When Marathon turns up to a range, that range doesn't just improve, it becomes the most advanced training location on the planet in the space of a few hours. And it's not just ready for today's fight, but for the next evolution in warfare, sUAS. Whether evaluating which capability is best for the warfighter's needs or conducting training once procured, only Marathon is prepared to provide the realism and rigor of real enemy movements. This ensures the drone will be up to the challenge and that the pilots are trained to get the job done. Bring the drones and we'll take the hits and be ready for the next one. Marathon targets ready for the fight, no matter what gets brought to the table.